4 fun idioms you should know.
Idiom 1. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it led me to a better career. Idiom 2. Cost an arm and a leg. Something that is very expensive. That new phone costs an arm and a leg, but it's worth it. Idiom 3. Hit the books. To start studying seriously. I have a big exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Idiom 4. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility to take the next step. I've done all I can. Now, the ball is in your court to decide what to do next.
Now you know 4 cool idioms. Can you use them in a sentence?